let's play somebody lower than us. Let's relax a little bit. Let's play a good game. We have 4 out of 7. Let's try to get back to 5. It's very different stories of 4 out of 7, you know? 4 out of 7 could have been me losing to a 2300. But I feel like I've had a... Okay, my opponent needed to think for 8 seconds on the third move. It's always a bad sign. That's good. Opponent deep in thought already on the first 5 moves. See, I gained a lot of practical experience playing all those killers. Okay. I meant to draw the arrow there. This is one of the ways people are playing the French, not the... God, I don't even know my openings. What am I talking about? This is not the French, man.
Manometer. Verliere ich die Partie noch. Oh, ich spiele gegen Levy Rozman.
The Trump.
GothamChess.
That's what I meant to say.
Der wird mich vernichten wollen hier, hä?
Go here next.
Gegen den spielen,
Actually feel like I'm already dangerously close to launching a very powerful attack.
Oh, how to
This is always fun. Playing a person weaker than me after playing 5 absolute killers. You know? Have I learned anything? Have I gotten better at chess in those games? We're about to find out.
Ist ja, glaube ich, der größte Streamer überhaupt, ne?
Ist okay, also.
Partie gegen Volkov.
This is kind of a natural move, right?
Ja, ich gar nicht gegen.
Like King B1 next. I had a nice position against Bach. Against Bokok! Benjamin Bokok! See, if you wanted to taunt him, that would be fantastic, because then you could just call him a chicken. I'm very funny, in case you haven't realized. Okay, let's come here. My opponent went here to prepare that, because that needs protection. But now I'm giving my opponent something else to think about. I also kind of like this concept. Just, you know, creating a new front of attack. Yes, I've been expecting this move. Let's continue. And now I wanted to go for it. But if this, then there's this, right? Can I do this? That's stupid. Let's just take with the pawn. That did not go how I wanted it to go, but that's fine. I'm not stressed. I think I'm actually doing fine. Because this is impossible. Maybe the most natural move is just to play rook here. But I really, really, really want to make this work. And then put a rook on c1. Wow. Okay. Does this work? Anytime I start looking at stuff like that, it always backfires. Are we feeling confident?
Nicht gleich kalt.
No, but knight g6 is just so much more logical.
Geht immer noch diese Verlustpartie noch.
Let's just be smart. Let's just be smart. Let's just be smart. I swear I have something. Can I go here? Like, I have so many cool looking ideas. That's a very, very, very nasty move, by the way. Yeah, I'm staying very, very controlled this game. And I still have a time advantage, although I burnt like a ridiculous amount of time. But I have a feeling knight g5 was the best move there, but I don't want to do anything stupid. My opponent's thinking, because this move doesn't work now, because I have this, And if they go here, I take, and then if they take, I have that, which is really what this has to be losing. Okay, let's take. And then this like something here just clearing out the position has to be winning. Just has to be winning. I refuse to believe it's not winning. It just cannot possibly be okay. This would be insane. What? Or take. This has to be winning. And here. That's the secret sauce. Black has to go here, and then I come here. Insane. What a position. Oi! Oh, fuck, I won.
Ah,
Holy shit.
verdammt.
Oh my god, that was horrendous. Oh my
Ich hab
god.
auf Zeit verloren.
Oh my god. Where was my win? Where was my win? Where was my win?
So ein Mist.
Queen h5. I play Queen h5 because I played this move instantly. That's why.
Stand ist
Wow, and I'm not even better anymore.
Muss man ja sagen.
Oh, I was playing so well. Was the best move knight g5? No, this was a good move. What about knight g5? That's a bad move. Wow, I was right.
Spielst dann kein König E7.
Wow. Queen h5, king d8, bishop g5, knight g5, queen g5. Oh yeah, you survive. Huh?